Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install sales strategies with Apptivo CRM, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Apptivo CRM account. Navigate to the dashboard, where all your tools and features are accessible. Locate the Sales tab in the main menu. Click on the Sales Strategies option under the Sales tab. You will see an overview of existing sales strategies. To create a new strategy, click on the Add New Strategy button. A form will appear for you to fill in the details of your new strategy. Start by entering a name for your sales strategy. Next, provide a brief description that outlines its purpose. Choose a category that best fits the strategy you are creating. Select the target customer segment that the strategy will focus on. Define the sales goals you aim to achieve with this strategy. Add specific action items that team members should follow. Include timelines for each action to ensure accountability. Once you've completed the form, review all entered information for accuracy. When you are satisfied, click the Save button to store your new strategy. The system will confirm that your sales strategy has been successfully created. To ensure your team is aligned, share the new strategy with all relevant members. You can also schedule a meeting to discuss and refine the approach if needed. Regularly monitor the effectiveness of the strategy within the CRM. Use built-in analytics tools to track performance and make necessary adjustments. As you gather data, continue to tweak your strategy for optimal results. Remember to encourage feedback from your sales team to improve the approach continuously. Stay engaged with your team and provide support as they implement the new strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.